Hey guys, welcome to my channel, A Jack of All Trades. I'm Twan, and today I'm really craving breakfast sandwiches, right? So I want sausage, egg, and cheese, and I want ham, egg, and cheese. And I think today the cheese we should use is brie. All right, so let's go and do this. But before we do, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. For our breakfast sausage mix, we have black pepper, dried sage, dried thyme, maple syrup, dried red pepper flakes, dried rosemary, and some salt. We're just gonna add all of our ingredients to the pork, just like so. And then mix. You wanna keep mixing until everything is well combined. Just kind of like squeeze it through your fingers, toss it around. I think we're good. So we're gonna form these into about 2-ounce patties. So you take your meat and then we're gonna form them into about 2-ounce balls so we can patty them up, right? So we're gonna press them down and get them into patty form. What you don't wanna do is you don't wanna smash them so they become so dense, right? Just loosely pack it so you get your little patties. So when you fry them and eat them, they won't be so tough. Yeah, we had a little problem with the microphone. Found out that there was a lot of buzzing noise going on. So I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna do this temporarily. Meanwhile, gonna keep forming our patties to get them ready. I'm really excited. All right, for our breakfast sandwiches, we have some Kaiser rolls, some chopped up ham, the breakfast sausages we made. I have some black truffle butter, some brie cheese without the rind, and our eggs. All right, so now we're gonna bring our sausage patties over to the flat top. And what I wanna do is I wanna put them on a really hot flat top, get a really nice crust and sear on it. That will maximize its flavor and give it a nice crispy, crunchy texture. And then also we'll put our ham on here. And since the ham's already cooked, we just want to heat it through, all right? So now let's check on the other side of our sausage patties. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. That looks nice. You guys, I wish you guys were able to smell this, man. The sage is coming through, the thyme, the rosemary. Oh, it's amazing. Then our ham is just chilling out right here, getting heated through. These guys are looking sexy. All right, so we're gonna spray it on the flat top right here. All right, just clean it up a bit. Get ready for our eggs to go down. So in this bowl I have 4 eggs, but I'm gonna use 2 eggs per sandwich. So use about half of what you have in the bowl. All right, this will cook pretty quickly, so don't leave, don't go anywhere. And I think with the cheese, we should put it inside of our omelet. That way, the heat of the omelet and the heat of the sandwich will keep the cheese nice and melty. So we'll probably go with like 1, and maybe let's do another one. 2 dollops of brie cheese. It's a pretty generous and rich sandwich. So, you know, it's a great way to start the day. Let's move over here a bit, and then let's fold all of our eggs over the cheese. And create a nice little envelope. I think this is gonna be amazing, guys. So then let's start, the sandwich sausage is looking good. And so we can start putting the sandwich together. So let's get it on there, and then we'll grab a sausage patty. Put it right there. Man, this is looking really good, guys. Really good. Then we have some the black truffle butter. We'll smear some of this on here, and then we'll spread it onto our bun. Man, this is looking really nice, guys. All right, so we got 1 sandwich done. So then we can start working on our egg, ham, and cheese sandwich. All right, so let's get this guy off. Oops. Guess sometimes you have to use a spatula. All right, so now this is for egg sandwich number 2. Same technique as before. Pour down the egg in a nice thin sheet, all right? Let the bottom settle or set. And then we'll put the cheese right in the middle, inside, just like the last one. Easy peasy, pretty cheesy. Yeah, so we'll just put cheese inside, just like the last one. Nice and melty brie cheese. If you guys ever had brie cheese, it is so rich and creamy. I mean, it's not hard to believe that that is one of my favorite cheeses. Actually, I think it is my favorite cheese. Right, and so then, yeah, so we'll go and just fold this and we'll repeat like the last one. You'll put the sandwich together, put the egg on. Oops, some brie came out. And then we'll put the ham on, and then we'll get the sandwich dressed and we'll go to the table. We made it, guys. Don't these 2 sandwiches look gorgeous? Sausage, egg, and cheese. The ham, egg, and cheese. Oh my God, let's go to the table. So guys, we made it. We made them. We made these. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful they look. Got the black truffle butter inside. Nice caramelization on the sausage. Oh, that ham is, oh, sexy. Get in there. Get in there. Yum. Oh, now let's eat. I want this. Ooh, sausage patty. This guy. How does that look to you guys? Oh, it's dripping cheese right there. Ooh. Oh, wow. Wow. That cheese explosion. Oh, this is amazing. That's so good. I think everybody loves a breakfast sandwich, a good breakfast sandwich. But there's not a lot of places other than fast food places that make them. So sometimes you just have to take the matters into your own hands. Right? And now here's the ham. Let's bite into this one. Everything that you would expect from a egg, ham, and cheese sandwich. Oh, that's really good. But my favorite is the breakfast sausage one. Here, look at all that brie cheese coming out of it. Tell me this is not the best breakfast sandwich you've ever seen. It's so good. So good. Sometimes when you crave stuff so bad, you just have to make it. You just have to make it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of this. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I appreciate it so much, guys. Thank you. Have a good one.